After the road test, we first inspect the lighting system. First the rear, then the front lighting. We then move to check and inspect the cabin filter, the engine filter, and we top up your washer fluid. We then check your engine coolant and top up as necessary. We visually inspect your vehicle's undercarriage, including suspension components, CV boots, and exhaust system. For your oil change, we first drain the used oil and reinstall the drain plug with a new gasket. We remove the oil filter, cleaning the filter seat before installing a new filter and filling up with the recommended grade of oil. After the vehicle has been running for at least 30 seconds, we check your oil level. We now remove the wheels for brake inspection and tire rotation. We then get a quote for any parts that may be required. And finally, we inform your service advisor so they can update you on our progress. And that's Service A at NewRoads Subaru Newmarket.